This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must begin with explicit consent and the right accounts. Never attempt tracking without permission. First, ask the owner to sign into their Google or Apple account or accept a family sharing invite. Once they grant access, make sure location services, high-accuracy GPS, and mobile data or Wi-Fi are enabled. You should also enable location history if supported. These steps let official tools resolve coordinates. Without them, lawful carrier assistance or police involvement is the only legitimate. Once you have account access and location turned on, use the platform's official finder. On Android, open Google Find My Device, sign in and request a location, play sound, or secure the phone. On iPhone, use Find My, view location, play a sound, or put it in lost mode. These tools explain how and why they return a position, GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell triangulation combined. Make sure permissions and background location access are granted for continuous updates. For live, persistent tracking, use carrier family plans or trusted third-party family tracker apps with the owner's permission. Contact the mobile operator for consumer location services. Carriers will provide location only with consent or a lawful request. If you need a legally accurate fix, such as for emergencies, engage emergency services or a court order. If tracking fails, check the device's location, app permissions, battery saver, and network connectivity. Forcing a restart and updating OS or app often resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.